Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing an alternate Starlink endpoint you can legally use. A friend's dish, an RV unit, or a business gateway works. Once you have permission, get an Ethernet adapter and a good Cat5e/Cat6 cable. If the endpoint uses PoE, pack an injector. Open the Starlink app and record the Wi-Fi SSID and password, because you'll need them to bridge networks. Make sure your device firmware is current. Outdated gear complicates bridging and authentication, so update now before moving on. Next, build a bridge between the Starlink endpoint and your local network. Connect the Starlink Ethernet output to your router's WAN port or to a client bridge device. If you have a router with bridge mode, enable it. Once connected, decide who runs DHCP. Typically keep Starlink as the DHCP server and disable DHCP on the secondary router, so IP assignments don't collide. Then set the WAN to DHCP or a static IP as instructed by the host, and confirm you can reach the router admin page to proceed. Finish by verifying internet connectivity. Ping 88888 or load a web page and make sure devices get IPs from the Starlink network. If something fails, check physical cables, confirm the WAN port is active, and ensure DHCP settings don't conflict. Also verify the Starlink account or host allows sharing. Some setups restrict external devices. One key troubleshooting step: power cycle the Starlink terminal and your router. Wait 2 minutes, then reconnect. This clears many handshake issues and often restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.